Good morning. Today we will discuss Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method. The given f of x 2x cube minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now to find out the positive root of the given f of x by using Newton-Raphson method. Here the formula for x n plus 1 equal to x n minus of f of x n divided by f dash of x n. Here where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 like that. Here x n plus 1. Suppose 0 iteration. Now to find out the 0 iteration, here x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Now to this is for 0 iteration. Next iteration to find out 1 x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Now to repeat the same process till the both iterations are same result. Okay. First, the given f of x is equal to 2 x cube minus 3x minus 6. First, we have to find out one positive value and one negative value of f of x. We have to find out the one positive value and one negative value. Here, first to substitute the x value 0. This is for 2 0 cube minus 3 into 0 minus 6 equal to, this is for 0 0. Now result minus 6. This is for negative result. Next to substitute f of 1, we require one negative value and one positive value. Okay, for that we have to repeat the process and substitute the x value 1, 2, 3, 4 until to get one positive and negative values. F of 1, this is for 2 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 6. This is for 1 cube value 1, 2 minus, this is for 3 minus 6. Now result minus 9, plus 2. So we can get minus 7. This is also negative result. Next to substitute f of 2, x value 2 cube minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 2 cube 8, 8 into 2 16. 16 minus, this is for 6 minus 6, and this is for 12, 12 minus 16. Now 4. This is for positive result. This is for positive result. Now this is for one positive result and one negative result. Now the real root lies between f of 1 and f of 2. The exact root, that is f of x is equal to 0, it lies between f of 1 and f of 2. Okay, f of 1 and f of 2 Now we have to find out the x naught. First we have to find out the first iteration. First iteration n equal to 0. Now the formula x n plus 1 means 0 plus 1 1. x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Okay. Now we have to find out the x naught value. X naught means the real root lies between f of 1 and f of 2. That is x value 1 and 2. Okay, the exact real root. Okay. Now we have to take the center value between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 to substitute center value 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.5. We can take the 1.5 substitute in f of 1. f of 1 we will get the result 1.5. We have to substitute here. We can get the result 2 into 1.5 cube minus 3 into 1.5 within bracket minus 6. We can get minus 3.75. For 1.5 we can get the minus result minus 3.75. Okay, it is not nearer to positive result, so we can increase x naught value 1.6. x 1.5 we can get minus 3 point something, that is negative result. So take x naught value 1.6. 1.6 substitute here. We can get 2 into 1.6 cube minus 3 into 1.6 minus 6. Now we can get the minus 2.6 negative value. This is also not very close to the positive value. So we can increase the x naught value 1.7. 1.7. Now to substitute 2 into 1.7 cube minus 3 into 1.7 into minus 6. Now result minus 1.274. This is also minus. We can take this is also, it is not very close to the positive value, so we can take 1.8. 1.8 2 into 1.8 cube minus 3 into 1.8 minus 6. Now we can get the 0.264. This is for positive. This is for positive. So we can take point x naught value 1.7. This is for very close to the positive result. 1.8 we can get the positive. Okay, no need. Okay, we have to get one positive result and one negative result. The positive result already f of 2. We can take f of 2 and f of 1. It is not very close to the f of 2. Okay, we have to find out exact very close. This is for 1.7. We can take the x naught value 1.7 minus 1.274, this is negative value, and 1.8, this is for positive value. So we can take x naught value 1.7, this is negative result. Okay, we can take this is for x naught. Now x naught value very close to the positive, for negative value 1.7. Now to substitute in formula, this is the first iteration, x1 equal to x naught value 1.7 minus f of x naught, value 1.7 divided by f dash of 1.7. Okay, first we have to find out f of 1.7. f of 1.7 equal to, we have to substitute x value here, 2 into 1.7 cube minus 3 into 1.7 minus 6 equal to, we can get the result 1 minus 1.274. Next f dash 1.7. f dash means we have to differentiate f of x once. Now f dash x equal to, this is for 6x square minus 3. This value substitute here, 6 into x value 1.7 square minus 3. Now multiply this one, we can get the result 14.34. These two values substitute here. The first iteration x1 equal to 1.7 and here minus f of 1.7 result minus, here minus will be changed into plus 1.274 divided by f dash 1.7 result 14.34. Now we can get 1.7. Now divide these two. 1.274 divided by 14.34. We can get 0.0888. Now add these two. Result 1.78884. After decimal point 5 decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for x1 value. Next, to find out second iteration, for that to substitute n value 1. x1 equal to 1.78884. Next, to find out second iteration, n value 1 plus 1 x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Okay, first we have to find out f of x1 value 1.78884 equal f of x, this one 2 into 1.78884 cube minus 3 into 1.78884 minus 6. We can get the result 0.08187. Okay, next to find out f dash 1.78884 and substitute here 6 into 1.87884 square minus 3 equal, we can get the result 1.16.19969. These two value substitute here. Next, to substitute this value here, x2 equal x1 value 1.7884 minus f of x1 value 0.08187 divided by f dash x1 value 16.19969. Now divide these two, that result subtract with this one, and we can get the x2 value 1.78379. This is for second iteration. Now the second iteration compared with the first iteration, both results are not same. So we can take another iteration, n value substitute 2, so we can get x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Okay, now as to find out f of x2 and f of x2 value 1.78379, to substitute in formula 2 into 1.7379 cube minus 3 into x value 1.7379 minus 6. Okay, we can get result 1.2, result 0.08187, 0.18787, sorry. We can get f of x2 1 point, this one 3 into 3.36934 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Next, f dash of x2 value 1.78379 and substitute 6 into x square value 1.78379 square minus 3. Now we can get the result 16.0914. These two value substitute here, x3 equal x2 value 1.7379 minus f of x2 value 3.36934 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by f dash x2 value 16.0914. Now divide these two, that result subtract with this one, we can get x3 value 1.78377. Now to compare these two, the both results are not same, so we have to take the another iteration. For that, to substitute n value 3, n value 3, so we can get x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 divided by f dash of x3. First, we have to find out f of x3. F of x3 value 1.78377. This value substitute in f of x 2 into x value 1.78377 cube minus 3 into x value 1.78377, okay, minus 6. Now to simplify this one, we can get 1.51089 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This is for f of x3 value. Next, f dash x3 equal to f dash x3 value 1.78377 equal 6 into x square 1.78377 square minus 3. Now simplify this one. You can get 16.09101. This is for f dash of x3. Now to substitute these two values here, x4 equal to x3 value 1.78377 minus f of x3 value 1.51089 into 10 to the power of minus 5 divided by f dash of x3 value 16.09101. Now divide these two, that result subtract with this one, we can get x4 equal to 1.78377. This is for x4 value. Now the x4 value compare with the x3. Now the both results are same. After decimal point 5 decimal places, both are same. So the result, so we can stop the process up to x4. Now the result, the real root is 1.78377, correct to 5 decimal places. Now 1.78377 to substitute in f of x. In f of x equal to 3, f of x 2 x cube minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. You have to substitute the x value 1.78377 and we can get result for exact 0. This is the exact positive real root by using Newton-Raphson method. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.